Luckily, everything turned out fine. It was a lesson he won't forget. The tree made the driver's heart skip a beat. Luckily, the driver ran fast before the tree collapsed. Drivers face challenges head-on with courage and skill, regardless. The truck climbed the steep hill like a real beast, dust and wind swirling as the engine roared forward like a never-ending machine. Look, I saw panic when the brakes failed, but this driver stayed calm and handled it perfectly. Great skill. Glad he is safe. There is a fine line between determination and recklessness. Hopefully, this driver realizes that safety is just as important as getting the job done. Oh no, the cement truck was completely swallowed by the sinkhole. It was driving on the road and suddenly flipped over to one side. This is a tough day for unlucky drivers. Imagine you're driving normally, and then boom, a wheel hits your car. The best strength of a car is not just about the technical specifications, but also about conquering obstacles. The car climbs a hill with 50 tons on its back is the ability to recover. This rescue was crazy. You could feel the tension, but they handled it like absolute professionals. A perfect example of why teamwork is everything. Nothing can stop the trailer. I have watched it climb over difficult terrains, leaving a trail of smoke behind. With its powerful engine, it overpowers heavy loads and crushes obstacles with ease. Its every move screams of power and resilience. This is what happens when you're late, and the city doesn't play games with you. It is amazing that the locals near this mining road have not yet dumped any debris into the stream. In the blink of an eye, everything turned upside down. The white car suddenly braked, forcing the excavator to perform a crazy somersault. Okay, please subscribe to the channel to continue watching more interesting things in our videos. Okay, that was the classic moment. Just when you think it's going smoothly, boom, the car suddenly tilts to one side and all the stuff on the car falls out. The strength of an overloaded pine log becomes a huge challenge as the truck battles the rough terrain, pushing its limits with every bump. This sharp curve is a real lesson for drivers, showing the conditions and mechanisms that can put a truck at risk of rolling over. Here, a homemade delivery man has created a vehicle specifically designed to move through the dense jungle terrain with a crude yet innovative design. The vehicle can overcome mud and rough terrain to efficiently transport goods and wood. The car was stuck under a pothole. The driver was trying to get out. After a while of struggling, the car got out. Don't know the meaning of giving up mud? Try to stop it with absolute determination. It will pass. While driving past a truck stuck at an intersection, the driver came up with an idea to get the truck to move because the cars behind it refused. This is what happens when the speed and gravity of a dangerous curve. The car went straight into the ditch and called another car to rescue. Let's see how they got that monster out of the ditch. The truck with uphill and downhill capabilities is a pressurized lift system that can be found in construction or industrial equipment. Each downhill requires precise control to avoid collisions, while the uphill contains potential power ready to conquer heights. I guess his truck looks a little cool, huh? I can't believe that a real oil tanker could perform such a seemingly impossible feat. The truck crossed the deep water. The driver was so brave. Do you know what these three vehicles are doing when the tractor moves forward, while the two behind move back? The vehicle in front does a somersault, creating a funny and unique scene. Their combined power creates a unique performance at the construction site that stops everyone and brings laughter.